Hello students, welcome to our electrical YouTube channel and our subject is electrical material and wiring practice. In previous video, we are seeing different types of wire and cables, and then next we are seeing component and accessories of electrical wiring system. In this video, we will see the electrical wiring system. So start our topic. Electrical wiring system has basically four types. First type is cleat wiring. Second type is casing and caping wiring. Third one type is batten wiring, and last one type is condense wiring. So we will see one by one. First we take cleat wiring. In this type of wiring, non-conducting base such as porcelain, wood, or plastic made cleat are mounted on the wall or ceiling at regular interval. This wire or cable then run through each cleat. These cleat support and hold the wires. This is cheapest way of wiring and is used for temporary installation or for construction meter installation. Therefore, it is not suitable for home electrical wiring and also with an outdated method. This type of lead wiring. Basically, this is used for temporary wiring. The material required for cleat wiring is first material is PVC insulated wires. Second material is lower kit. Third material is upper cleat, lower and upper kit. This is a lower and this is a upper kit. And this is a PVC insulated wire. And last one component required for this wiring is screw. Next, we see the advantages of cleat wiring. It is a simple and cheap wiring system because it is a temporary wiring. Most suitable for temporary use. Its installation is very easy. Fault in wire can be seen and repair is easy. Next, the disadvantages of this wiring is first, appearance is not good. Insulation may be deteriorated after some times because of weather effect of risks of fire. And next disadvantage is it can be used only on 230 or 440 volt on low temperature. Basically, used only on low temperature. Our next type of wiring is casing and caping wiring. This is the caping and casing wiring. In this type, cable is run through a wooden casing having grooves throughout its length. The wooden casing is prepared in such a way that it is of a required fixed length with parallel grooves that accommodated the cables. The wooden casing is fixed to the wall or ceiling with screw. After placing the cable inside the grooves of casing, a wooden cap with grooves is placed on it to cover the cable. This is also a cheap wiring system, but there is a high risk of fire in case of short circuit. To overcome these drawbacks, PVC casing capping is popular method nowadays. Our third type of wiring system is batten wiring. In this type of installation, insulated wire are run through the straight stick wooden batten. The wooden batten are fixed on the ceiling or wall by the screw. The cable can be fitted onto the batten by using brass clips. These clips are fixed to the batten with rust resistance nail. This wiring installation is simple and cheap as compared to the other electrical system. Also take less time to install. They are mainly used for indoor installation. Next, you see advantages of batten wiring. It is a simple and cheap compared to the condense wiring system. Appearance is good as compared to the clip wiring. Less chance of leakage current. Repairing can be done. Now see disadvantages. High risk of fire. Can't be used in outdoor area. It can be used only on 230 volts. Our last one types of electric wiring system is condense wiring. In this wiring, PVC cable are run through either PVC condense pipe or through steel condense pipe, PVC or steel. This condense wiring can be either surface condense wiring or concealed condense wiring. If condense pipe are run on the surface of wall or ceiling, it is called as surface condense wiring. If condense pipe are run inside the surface of wall and ceiling, it is called as concealed condense wiring. Here we conclude that our wiring system type is N. Thank you.